Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to convert Word file to Excel. So let's get started the video. I start by opening the Word file you want to convert to Excel. Go to the top left corner, click on File, select Save As, then Browse. Choose a location to save the file. Enter the name of your file. Now from the Save As Type drop-down menu, select the plain text option. Click on Save. Click OK. Now open the Microsoft Excel file. Click on Blank Document. From the menu, select Data. Then click on Prompt Text CSV. Locate and find the file you saved earlier. Click on it. Then click on Import. A pop-up box will appear asking you to specify file origin, delimiter and data type detection. Click Load. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.